the middle. Gabaini. Kicks corner. Pinoy step, fast, bakit? The Pinoy. Sa lapadan, crossover, attack, side step, pass to the middle. What a dish, what a pass. 8 points, inside pass, Gabaini, bounce pass. Picks, reverse layup. Yes, sir. Stolen picks.
Step back.
Falling away. Bullseye! We are here in Abra, Intertown. Number 99, ipas. Attacks, baseline. Step back, pinto for 2. Short. Here's Tim Bukay. Gonzalez, pass to the middle. Pass to the corner. Pre with the receive. Inside pass, picks. Kicks out, open for 3. Launch. Bang! And 4-0 now. Stop for 3. Nugget. Rebound. For Tim Bukay. Stops. Pass to Trinidad for 3. Bang! For the inbound. Number 1. Goes to the screen. Crossover. Ball is stolen. Behind the back. Pre. And recover. And spins. To the hoops. Go good. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Oh, laki mo! Stolen, Pinto, natapikan, recover, natapikan, na-stall, away, and the pass break, nauna na, pre, easy to break. Ball is stolen, hook pass, and no, all alone, easy race. Gabaini, corner pass, attacks to the middle, float shot, bucket. Talapadan, bounce pass, stolen. And the pass break, nauna naman, Villanueva, easy to for 3, bam! 3, and a 10-point lead for Tim Bukay. And Pre goes to the baseline, pass to the middle for 3, Gonzalez, in and out, and in, bam! And there's Tim Salapadan behind the back dribble, di distansya, pinasa sa gitna. Number 11, crossover, stop, pull up jet, the free throw area, Nugget, rebound, and a pass back to Gonzalez, bounce pass, Pre, pull up J, bucket, and number 14, pass number 25, number 14, number 13, attacks, inside pass, block, rejected. And in hurry behind the back, Liz, Pablo, in and out, rebound, put back. Ball possession for Salapadan, attacks, lumusot, accelerate, Liz, agad, rebound, breaks, transfer, bucket. Pass, number 15 to the wings, attacks, fires, won't go, fight for the rebound, picks, bump, picks, fires, off the window, no good, rebound, Jelbes, And it's Tim Salapadan, crossover, attack, side step, pass to the middle. What a dish, what a pass! To the middle. And the pass. Gabaini to the corner, attacking the defense, the bounce pass. Side step, hook pass inside, false, rejected! And 12-point lead for Tim Bukay, goes to the wings, stop for 3, in and out, rebound, picks, rebound, side step, floater, bucket. And here's Tim Bukay, Gabaini, corner pass, fires at 3, good short, Sakuragi, Chelbes. And here's number 11, corner, picks, attacks, open, picks, drives, he kicks out, picks, attacks, floater, bullseye, strong, Gabaini, stolen picks, step back, falling away, bullseye, stop, open for 3, off the mark, and, oy, grabe yun, bagsak, no look pass at low, oy, nalibre na, and, si bucket, to the corner, open for 3, bye! Trinidad. Gubaini. Gubaini posting up. Ihahatid. Tatlong kagwardya. Villanueva to Gubaini. Gubaini inside pass. Picks. Bump. Reverse layup. Bakit? Cross the mid lane. Gonzales. The bounce pass. Pre for the post-up, cross pass, Trinidad attacks, pass inside, Gubaini! And it's number 13, Gonzales to the middle, Pre. Bullseye at the free throw. Number 1 to the corner. Inside, stolen. And a pass break. And to the hoops, easy to. A pass. And number 26, the floater, bullseye! And cross the mid lane, Gonzales to Villanueva to Gonzales. That's Trinidad to the middle. Gubaini kicks out to the wings. Gonzales to Trinidad. Corner, Pre for 3. Off the mark. And here's number 1. Attacks. Hook pass. Recover, put back, bakit? Backdoor inbound, bounce pass. Lost the ball. Pass break, 3-on-1. Goes inside, easy to, lumipad. And here's cross pass. Open, and actividad, lace. Short, recover. Kicks out. To the middle. Gubaini. Inside pass, reverse layup off the glass. To the middle, number 99, open for 3. No good. Rebound, pass number 99, sinausaw. Single digit ng kalamang, 8 points. Inside pass, Gubaini, bounce pass. Picks, reverse layup. Yes, sir. And number 21, he pass. To the middle, Gubaini. Kicks corner. Drives, Pinoy step, fast, bakit? The Pinoy. Stops for 3. In and out. Backdoor inbound. And number 1 to the middle. For 3. Bam! And the pass break. For 3. That's the end. And the attacks to the corner. Pull up Jay Welches. Good. Rebound. Pre. Accelerate. So palpal. Bump. And fast floater, Pre. No good. Kicks out. Sanchez. Gonzales pass to Fars. Gonzales. Villanueva pala yun. Stops. Bounce pass. Spins. Kicks out. Open look for 3. In and out. Rebound, put back. Grabeng taas naman tumalon doon. Gonzales, he pass. Cross pass. Open for 3. Villanueva. Too strong. Rebound, put back. Short. Rebound pa rin. Put back. Bakit? Dasek. Pariñas. He stops. He pass. And the bounce pass, Pariñas. Crossover move. He stops. He pass. For 3. Bam! 3. And the pass. 38-43. 5-point lead. And to the middle. Kakalda. Ginatid. Uy. And the long pass. Big clutch. Fire. Negate. Rebound. And the pass. Crossover move. Step back. Spins. Lace. No good. Tips in. Wala. Rapat back. Wala pa rin. Ang alat. Pass. Bakit? And the pass. Bounce pass. Nakalusot. Lumipad. Bakit? Down to 3. And number 14. He pass. Crossover. Drives to the hoops. In and out. Race there. Reverse up. Basket and 1. Pre. And Harry. Stops. If cross pass. Wide open. Left alone. For 3. In and out. And the pass break. And then Pre. Easy bucket. Pre. Pass break. Nauna na. All alone. Ipinasa. Easy bucket. Back to 6-point lead. Divina. Pass to number 13. Divina. Pass to the middle, ball is stolen. Pass break na naman, nauna na naman. Kabila pa, bakit? Down to 4 point. And mapapa-defense dito. Ngayon no, ball is stolen again. And he bump. He fast, bakit? Down to 2 point. Lang dito ang team sa lapadan. Cross pass, corner. Attacks, pull up J. Bakit? Back to 4 point lead. Stop for 3. Short. Oh, it's a save. Door inbound. 4 teams sa lapadan. Looking for receiver now. The pass. And another pass. For 3. Bam! 1 point lead. Bukay. And picks to the middle. Inside pass. Kicks out to the middle again for 3. Nugget. Fight for the rebound. Pre. Put back. Oh, in and out. Put back again. Bakit? Bulls up. And for the inbound. Corner pass. Open look for 3. One go. Rebound. Put back. Pre. Wala pa rin. And rebound. Oop. Ball is stolen. And a pass break. Nauna na naman. Easy 2. 54-53. Hicks. Drives. Backdoor inbound. I-pass. Dalawa yung gagardya. Kaldag. Spins. Traveling. Lane. Number 1. I-pass. Pass back. And picks. Goes to the screen. Kicks out for 3. Short. Pass break. And tags up. Backdoor inbound. Pass stolen. Pass break na naman. Nauna na naman. Lumipad for the lead. Up. And goes to the middle. And Trinidad side step. Up. Trap. And the pass to the middle. Stop pass at 3. Short. And number 13 inside pass. Tagawan na naman. Ang sipag mo. Crossover, repass. Pull up J, pass. Bakit? And the pass. Pull up J. Bullseye. And the pass for 3. Bam! And it's number 1. 4 team. Sa lapadan. Double dribble. And number 18 Trinidad. Pass to the middle. To number 5. Gobaini, inside pass to the middle, and recover, pull up J, bakit? And we are tied at 60. And nagdatawan, and for the lead, up by 2. And back to change point lead. 63-62. And here's number 3, Nugget. Rebound. And the pass. Picks. Spins. Number 99. Salapadan up by 1. 63-62. Attacks. Inside pass. Libre. Oh! Sayang panta. Woo! And attacks to the rim. Bakit? Change. And number 1 stop for 3 again. Nugget. Rebound. No, babawi. Kicks out for 3. Nugget. Pre in hurry. Bounce pass. Basket and one. No. Stolen. And a pass. Number 1. Stop for deep 3. Nugget. Pre goes the mid lane. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Shot clock down to 12. Gabaini, Duangal Guardia is stolen and recover. Kicks out. Gonzalez stop. Attacks. Another Pinoy step. Oh! The inbound. Trim Salapadan. And goes to the screen. He pass. Pass back. For 3. Not good. And the Sakuragi, step back for 3. Short. And recover. And left alone for 3. Not good. Loop. Inside pass. Oh! For 3. Nice sprite. Congratulations, Team Buka.